Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower cleared.
Okay, we got a roll program.
What we have just seen is very exciting, but in any case, the most important is the safety. So Santiago, tell us a little more about safety and the elements of this experiment.
Of course, in the case of sodium bicarbonate may cause eye irritation, but this product is not considered dangerous. Jerónimo, please explain you the one of the vinegar.
Of course, in the case of acetic acid, more dangers can be generated because in multiple cases of contact, it is best to call a poison control center. For example, contact with the eyes or the time to inhale it.
Wow, very interesting. But where is double displacement reaction and why our rockets are considered the double displacement reaction?
In a double displacement reaction, what happens is that the two compounds exchange partners with each other to produce different compounds.
We can see in the equation that in vinegar, hydrogen is replaced by sodium from sodium bicarbonate, and hydrogen it joins with the hydrogen, carbon and oxygen remaining in the baking soda and then separates to create carbon dioxide and water.
Sure, but why the rockets are double displacement reactions?
It is a double displacement reaction. Why? Because in vinegar, the hydrogen is replaced by the sodium from the sodium bicarbonate, and the hydrogen joins with the hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen belonging to the sodium bicarbonate and then separates to create carbon dioxide, salt, and water, which meets the definition of a double displacement reaction. The positive ion of the compound joins with the negative ion of the other compound, thus creating carbon dioxide, salt, and water.
Well, guys, to conclude, let's ask a question.
What is the main characteristic of a double displacement reaction?
Two or more reactants combine to form one product/compound, producing heat and usually light and fire. The reactant ions exchange places to form new product, breaks down into two or more elements or new compounds.